Good morning. Tuesday morning, yeah. And today we have some jobs, yeah. Let's start with this laptop. It's a Toshiba laptop, and the model is C660, yeah. What this is doing, we have no light with the charger plugged in, and also when we press the power button, nothing happens. So what do I think we have here? We have a motherboard job, because this kind of charging port, this is solid, you know, nothing can go wrong with this charging port, yeah. So I think we have a motherboard job, yeah. Well, what do I want to do today, yeah? Let's think you don't have a multimeter, but you know you have an oscilloscope, yeah. So let's try to fix this laptop without touching the multimeter, just using the oscilloscope, yeah. Okay, let's see. Of course you can check the voltage with the oscilloscope, yeah. So I'll open this laptop. If I can find anything on my desk, obviously when it's clean you can't find nothing. You know how is the things, how I do it. I put all the tools here, yeah, and based on what I need, the tools which I'm using come closer. The tools which I don't use them go further, yeah. That's a like natural selection. Because you know when you have a lot of tools, you don't know what you need and what you don't need. Okay, this is look like some damage here, like liquid damage, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I'm getting better. Still ill a bit, just a little bit, but you know, it's the winter. I just want to say thank you, you know. I always read the comments and I start knowing some subscribers. And yeah, that's nice, you know. I go on the video, I read all the comments, and actually I recognize some subscribers. It's a nice thing. YouTube is nice. Okay, let's see. We can't touch the multimeter, yeah. All the screws are out. Let's take out the keyboard. That's the rule, no multimeter. Because many people ask me, you know, well, why you don't fix with the oscilloscope? Why you are not using the oscilloscope? Yeah, now we can use it. We'll fix the motherboard with the oscilloscope. Let's see.
Job from our shop.
Yeah? HDMI port?
Laser drivers.
Okay. Let's see. Actually, you are seeing me here doing like motherboards and phones. You know, the things are more complicated. Most of the time I'm doing charging ports, HDMI ports, charging ports, iPad digitizers, you know, boring things. So if you are excited for this video, I am as well, you know. This is a classic motherboard. This is nice. This will be fixed 100%. Yeah, it's a classic motherboard with a classic bad speaker connector, which I will break it probably. Come on, I can't take out the connector. Yeah. Managed to take out the speaker connector without breaking it. Let's do some check-ins. No multimeter, sorry. So we cannot see the voltage. The problem is you can't see the voltage. I can see it because on the oscilloscope I have a menu on one side and I can see the voltage. So I'm really sorry for that. But there's no way how can I stick that on the screen. Well, let's see.
What tab is it?
Ground. Nothing freezing. And let's check some voltage. We have some MOSFETs here, 3 MOSFETs. I just want to see if my 19 volts power rail is good. Okay. So actually, yeah, and the oscilloscope is not even working. That's great. That's fantastic. So I can't press here. No, it's not working. Okay, again. %, maybe not 50, let's say 75, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's making me sad. Okay, and I have to press play. Now it should be working. Yeah, it is working. Oh, let me switch the voltage. Measure. Okay, what is saying on the multimeter? Saying 1 volt. 1 volt. That's weird. Check the voltage of the multimeter. Okay, anyway, here we have the charging port. Charging port. Nothing. Charging port. 5 volts. What do you mean 5 volts?
Thanks very much.
Okay, 19.6. Yeah, that's what he's saying. 19.6. 19.6. You know, that's weird. We have multimeter. That's weird because you can't see the voltage. That's the only reason why this is weird. Yeah. Let's see. So on the charging connector, 19. Yeah. Let's check under the microscope so you can see exactly what I check here. Yeah. Come on, start. Okay, that's good. You see that connector? It has the charging port, and on the other side you have the 2 wires for ground, 2 wires for plus. So you have 2 pins because of 4 wires. You can see the, let me show you the wire, yeah? The charging port wire, you have 2 reds and 2 blacks, yeah? You can see. They are using 4 wires to carry more current and keep the resistance of the wire low, yeah? So you have to ground. I'll use the ground from here to check into plus. You can see here, plus 19, plus 19. Okay. Look, like how we know, yeah? How we know. But here is no track. So it looks like someone soldered these things here. But anyway, let's have a look on these MOSFETs if we have anything here. .5. Okay, let's go on our power supply and check the 19 volts power rail. Power supply. This is a power supply. You can see the pad. You have 2 caps, 2 MOSFETs, and on the other side I'm sure you have a coil. Yeah. So on these caps should be 19, and it's not. It's 1.9 volts. 2 volts, 2.5. So my 19 volts power rail is missing, yeah? So we do have a motherboard job here, yeah? Because we have 19 on the... We have 19 on the charging port here. So I think I'll take the board out to have a look on the other side. To see what's going on here. I think my MOSFETs are on the other side. You know, the first MOSFET, the second MOSFET. Maybe here. Let's see here. Let's see here what do we have here. We have any MOSFET with voltage on it? No. 1.2. No, nothing. 0.6. No, my MOSFETs are not here. So what I can do is only take the board out to find, yeah, first MOSFET and second MOSFET. Many people ask me, you know, what did you check? How did you go there? You know, just go back on the motherboard lessons and have a look on that lessons, because I explain how the laptops are working. Yeah, I explain that. I draw the things. You have first MOSFET, second MOSFET, and that's what you have to look for.
I'm saying I'm heading out here. Just phone me
Yeah.
if you need something.
Yeah, yeah. So we know for sure, yeah, because I checked on the power supplies and I explained there and I drew how the power supply is connected, all on the 19 volts power rail, main power rail, yeah. But from the charger to the main 19 volts power rail, yeah, we have 2 MOSFETs. You understand? Those MOSFETs you know, the protection. They have protection things, you know, many stories about those MOSFETs. So I know for sure my problem is there. Why? Why? Wait. You just said why? That's the thing. Why? Why I have the problem there? Two reasons. One of my MOSFET is faulty, yeah? And it's not passing the voltage. The second reason, the MOSFET actually is working, but the MOSFET cut down the voltage because I have a short on the 19 volts power rail, yeah? So before I take out the motherboard, yeah, we can check further. Let's come ourselves with 19 volts with the power supply and see if we have a short there, yeah? Let's try. Oh. Actually, I should not play with the power supply on the motherboard, because the people try copying me without understanding what's going on there. How can I do it to be good for everyone? I don't want to be a bad example. Okay, let's go search for fault. You know, just ignore the fact we have a short. Maybe we have. I don't know if we have or not. We can check with yeah, we can check with the multimeter. Yeah, if we have a short. So I just unplug the charger. Let's go on the microscope. Let's go on the continuity, and let's check what I said. You know, the power supply path. Yeah, so that's a power supply. We can see it. Yeah. Let's check for sure. So it's continuity. We go on these caps, which is supposed to be on the 19 volts, and we have no short. Yeah, and that's good. So actually, I don't have to use the power supply. That's good. That's good. Let's go. Let's take out the motherboard and check for the first two MOSFETs. Okay. So you understand? Can be two reasons. That can be two reasons. You have a short. And even with the multimeter, I know I'm doing the wrong thing, you know, even with the multimeter, you don't know if it's a short there. And it's not like short, like 0 ohms. Maybe the electrical resistance is low. You can't see it with the multimeter. Or let's say you have a short after a MOSFET or after a diode. No, you can't see with the multimeter. You can see with the power supply, which I'm not using, and I will not be using the power supply. Just I'll go like how you go when you have schematic, just following from the charging port. You know, let's do it on the right way so everyone can understand. Okay, so you see, like what I told you, we have a fuse there. That's nice. That's proper nice. Yeah, let's go under the microscope and let's try to take out the schematics. You know, these things should, you know, everything on the motherboard should get recognized by your brain. You know, like schematic. You don't have to draw schematics. You have to, you know, when you see, you know, that's the schematic. So in this case, yeah, on this case, we have the red wires, yeah, from the charging port, right? Right. Obviously, you can see from here, the truck is coming to the fuse. From fuse is coming to this passing coil, yeah? From here is coming to the MOSFET. All 4 pins together, yeah? From the output of this MOSFET, output is this, all 3 pins together, comes on the second MOSFET, which you can't see it. 1 second. Second MOSFET, yeah, 3 pins together, 4 pins together. So this is a channel N, this is a channel P, yeah. But that's not important. Just ignore the channel and just concentrate on what they are doing. That's very important, what they are doing. And from here, you can see You see this bulb, this thing, see these holes? Yeah. This is why when you have a high amperage track or a very important power rail. So from here, from there I have my 90 volts power rail. It goes everywhere, yeah? So let's check the fuse, okay? Let's check the fuse. Don't tell me the fuse is not good. No, the fuse is good. Look on the multimeter. You can see what I am checking. From the plus after the fuse, yeah? 0 ohms. Or you can check straight on the fuse, check on the multimeter, 0 ohms. So the fuse is good, yeah? Okay? What I will do, I will plug. Let me put something under the motherboard because actually this plastic is conductive and you can make shorts. That's like a layer of something. Okay, so what I will do, I will plug the charger, yeah? I will plug the charger and I will check for voltage. Okay, so let's see, ground. Now let's take ground from here. Let's see, here we have 19. Oh wait, let me check on volts. 1 second. Volts. Okay, it's volts. Ground. And here after the fuse we have 19, yeah? On the input of the first MOSFET we have 19 also, yeah? On the output of the first MOSFET we have 19, yeah? So that means on the input of this one I have 19, and on the output of this one, on the output, I have 0. I have like 2.5 volts. Why? Let's see, that's the gate, and on the gate we have 19. No, this is a channel P, and to be open we should have 0 there, I think. Not sure, but that's how the things works. Anyway, you understand, that's our issue, that's our problem. On the output of this one we don't have 19, we have like 2.8 volts, 3 volts, it's changing. This is 3.6, it's something weird. Also, yeah, we can have a short. Yes, we can. So let's take out the charger, unplug the charger, set up the power supply on 19 volts, yeah, 19 volts. Let's set up the limit of the current around half of amp, yeah. And what I will do now, because I know there should be 19, yeah, I'll keep this on the ground, yeah, one wire from the power supply, and I will come with 19 volts here on the output to see if we have a short. And we have no short, like 0.2. It's no short, so it's no reason for this MOSFET to be close, yeah, because it's close, it's not passing the voltage, yeah. It's no short. 0.02. That means like 20 milliamps. Okay, so it's no short there. Now please don't judge me, yeah. If you want to study to see why that MOSFET is not open and you have time, do it. Well, I don't have that time. So what I will do, like usual, I will replace the MOSFET. Not really, but you got the point, yeah. No, wait 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. No, let me explain you. That MOSFET is dead. I will explain you why. Yeah? Let me explain you why. Let's take a bit of time to understand how these things work. You have a channel P there, yeah? And a channel N. Let's find the schematics, you know what? Let's find the schematic. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Let me try to... Where is my Google Chrome? Oh, it's here. Give me 1 second. Maybe I can find the schematics. Laptop. Schematic. Maybe I'll find one on pictures. 1 second. Just I want the part with the 2 MOSFETs from the input. That's all what I need. That's all what I need, yeah. Let's see. My internet is so slow. And I think we found 1 second. 1 second, yeah. Just give me 1 second. It's not even loading up. Let's understand how this thing works, you know, the input thing, the 2 MOSFETs. No, it's not loading the picture. You see, the picture is fuzzy. Because the internet speed is so slow. The internet is so slow. Let's see this one. This one is better? No, it's not.
Quite a good chance that this is we got one of the ones that are long way.
The long one, it's 1.2 meters.
What's that?
Where can I find a laptop schematic? Like any schematic. Okay, that's a power supply.
But we'll do the same thing, I'll take it. Take it out of all.
No, I can't find. Okay. Okay, let's just ignore this, yeah? But we'll explain it. If you have a channel N and a channel P MOSFETs there, yeah? Does mean just get concentrated on that diode from inside. So on the channel N, 1 second, this is drain. Okay, let's have a look on the here. Let me explain why is that important, that diode. So you have 2 MOSFETs here. This is a channel N, this is drain. Obviously if the power comes to drain, is a channel N, yeah? Or if the plus comes to drain, it's a channel N. That's source and gate. And the diode on this case, the diode is on this side, yeah? So the diode is on this side. Yes, it's on this side, yeah? Okay. That's good. So the even if the MOSFET is off, the power will not go through the diode. Okay, the other one, it is a channel P, yeah? Channel P does mean the diode. Channel P. How is the diode on channel P? 1 second. Channel P. The diode. The minus of the diode. I think the diode is on this way. Yeah, the diode is on this sense. Because that's why they are using two MOSFETs. Because otherwise, if the diode will be in same direction, yeah, like this one, you'll find the voltage from the battery you'll find on the charging port. And that's the reason why they are using two MOSFETs, yeah? So one, it's only from that reason. To pass the voltage, but to stop the voltage coming out from the battery, yeah? So on this one, I'm sure I'm right. On this one, the diode source. So the plus of the diode is here on source. Does mean... Oh, actually, I'm wrong. How I can be so wrong? Come on, I need a schematic. Just anyone can attach a link with schematics. I have no schematics, no laptop schematics here. Yeah? Just give me a classic schematics where you can read the schematics and explain what does MOSFET are doing. Oh, one second. Maybe I have on my download things. 1 second. Download and no. No, I have no schematics. No, no schematics. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, we'll speak next time about this. Okay. Let's replace that MOSFET. You know, I can't even replace. I can't replace it. You know, I can't replace that MOSFET. I can do it. Let's do it. Let's replace the MOSFET. Let's see if our problem gets fixed by replacing the MOSFET. Yeah, I will not short the MOSFET this time. I gotta have such a nice subscribers. Where is my flux now? My flux? Of course I cannot find the flux. I found it. Let's replace that MOSFET, yeah? Let's do it on the right way. I can bet I replace that MOSFET and will still be not working because I have 19 on the gate. Well, let's do it, you know, let's do it. Four 483. Let's see the other one. No, this is different. What I'm doing here. Okay, let me place them. Let me find another MOSFET, yeah? Let me grab a motherboard. Classic one. Two MOSFETs on the input. We found it is the same. Let me check. No, it's not the same.
One second.
Make sure they do £6 whatever much you do it for.
£5.
This
Okay.
one? Maybe.
Can try it.
No, it's not this one.
Oh, so, right, yeah.
It's a Sony board. On the Sony board, I can't even find the charging port. Weird thing.
Let's find out.
Mind you, it hasn't been on for, well, some fan in the drawer, it's been in the drawer for about 3 years. That might be dead then.
Okay, this is a weird
Still
one.
get, yeah.
No, not this one. What about this? I try to find the right board.
Not this one.
Maybe this one. Where is the charging port? This one. Okay, this is another weird board.
Fan in the drawer,
I can't find the proper one. Wait, I think I just found one the same, like the same one.
no, no, this one comes
It's not the same board.
last week, she said, just be getting that done.
Toshiba. The one MOSFET is missing.
Lovely.
Thank you.
That's like a trip home.
And it's missing exactly the MOSFET what I need, yeah? So look what I found, yeah?
My laptop, it's not in it, it's not going to relog onto it.
It looks like it's the same.
Nice little picture comes up, it's all funky.
You see, we have the charging port, we have the fuse, we have the first MOSFET, and the second one is missing. So maybe I use this MOSFET. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. Let's see what is the charging port. Charging port. Charging port is here. Charging port. Oh, that's great. That's fantastic. And we have two MOSFETs. 1 second. Give me 1 second, yeah? Let me be sure that's our thing, yeah? 1 second. Charging port, we have ground plus, from here, and from the output of this one, from the output of the first one, it's coming here. And And yeah, that's ours one, yeah? 1 second. That's our one. That's the second MOSFET. The second one. And all 4 pins are on the output. That's great. Okay. This is one. This is our one. Let's take this out. Okay, now let's move it here. Let's move it here. So all 4 pins there. Okay, that's great. That's fantastic. Yeah, that's good. Good enough. Well, let's check now. Keep hot.
Alright.
Yeah? Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, that's crazy. Hopefully I can edit this thing. So we plug the charger
Thank
here.
you. I
Yes,
appreciate
okay.
it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, Tom.
Okay, let's check now the voltage here.
We do. Bring me today.
We have 19 here,
Thank you.
and we have 19 on the output. So yeah, actually our problem was the MOSFET, yeah? Let's check. Yeah. I just booked in a TV like 62-inch or something like that. It's so big. Yeah, we have a light here, but I'm still not sure if. Let's see if it's coming on. What is coming on? Power. Let's see, power. Yeah, it's coming on. You see, we have the both LEDs on. Yeah, so that was the issue. The MOSFET. Shit. I can't believe I replaced a MOSFET. Yeah. Okay. It took long because it's a plasma TV, like 60-inch plasma TV, and I'm not fixing plasma. I tried to explain him, but he didn't understand the whole like. Oh, please have a look, please, you know. What you can say in this case. I'm not fixing plasma. I don't even know if it's worth to fix plasma these days.
Yeah.
What's going on here? Okay, let's see, let's plug the fan. You know, this is like 5-minute job. I should short down MOSFET from the beginning and end of story. So let's see. Maybe it should work. Let's see. Let's check here. Let's plug the charger. And we have light, and the power is. Oh, we have the power button anyway. The fan is spinning, the laptop is on. And there's no picture on the screen. Why? With memories. When the memories are plugged in, well, I can bet if I take out the memory and put the memory back, it will start working. Yeah, the laptop is on. You can see Toshiba on the screen. It's working fine. I'm really sorry for this video, but you try to explain on different way and everything goes wrong. You know. Okay, so we just go through some things. We explain how you check 90 volts power rail. But wait 1 second. Wait. I'm not clear with this. You know, I'm not happy with this. So if I have 19 on the gate, that means the MOSFET should be open. But if I have 19, I don't know, that's weird. But I'm sure that's a channel P. Anyway, I'll find the schematics, and next time we'll go through the schematics, we'll understand what that MOSFET are doing there, yeah? Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next job. We have so many, yeah? Bye.